How to redeem code on Temu. Let's get started. First, launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now navigate to the U tab. Click on the U option given at the bottom right corner. Once you're over here, click on this option, Coupons and Offers. Now from this page, you can easily redeem your code. All you have to do is type in your code over here and then click on Apply. With that, the code will be redeemed. Likewise, there's also another way. For that, you'll need to head towards the checkout page. So first up, select the item that you want to purchase, add the item to the cart, navigate to the cart section, then checkout. Once you're in this page, you'll need to provide your shipping address, then select your shipping method, then head towards payment method, and from this list, select any of it. Scrolling down, you're gonna find this option, Apply Coupon Code. Click on that. Now here, you can type in your code or paste it and click on Apply. With that, the code will be redeemed and you'll get certain amount as a discount in your order. So this way you can easily redeem code on Temu. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.